In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when you can't add a phone number to your Steam account. Whether you're trying to enable Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator or just secure your account, this is a common issue, but don't worry, it's actually quite simple to fix once you know the right steps. First, open your Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it directly from the official Steam website and set it up. Once you've launched the app, click on the Login button. If you're not already signed in, enter your username and password carefully to avoid any login errors, then click Sign In to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look at the top of the Steam window and click on Help. From the drop-down menu, select Steam Support. This section is designed to help you troubleshoot all types of Steam-related issues, including problems with adding a phone number. Next, click on My Account from the list of support topics. Once you're in the Account section, scroll through the options until you find Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Go ahead and click on that. This feature usually requires a valid phone number, so any issues with linking your number are often connected to this section. If you don't immediately see a solution there, scroll down and select the option that says My Issue Isn't Listed. This will open a form where you can directly contact Steam support about your problem. Here, make sure to clearly describe your issue, mentioning that you're unable to add your phone number to your Steam account. Include any relevant details, for example, if you're getting an error message or if the system isn't accepting your number. The clearer your message, the faster support can help. Once you've written your message, click Send to submit your support request. Steam's support team will respond to the email linked to your account, so make sure to check your inbox and spam folder regularly. Their reply may include specific instructions or troubleshooting steps tailored to your account, so follow them carefully when you receive the message. While you wait for a response, it's also a good idea to double-check your phone number format and make sure it includes the correct country code. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as an incorrect input format, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to resolve the issue of not being able to add a phone number to your Steam account quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.